big circle at the beach. And in the background, the ocean. December 28th, 2009. And there's the building at Pacheco. Chi-Chi's house. Dueling cameras. Dueling cameras. There's Mr. Whippix. Dueling with him. Ocean Beach. Oh, dog's off a leash. Two Battles Noodles isn't here. We'll show her the video when we get home. Everybody's taking a nice walk on the beach on a Monday morning.
That's my wife taking a movie of me. I'm taking a movie of wife goggles. Behind her are some goddamn seagulls and the goddamn ocean.